Hi, I'm Joyce. I'm the Portfolio Manager of the United SGD Fund. The United SGD Fund is a flagship fixed income fund of UOB AM with a fund size of about 2.5 billion. The fund aims to achieve a yield enhancement over Singapore dollar deposits by investing substantially in money market instruments, short-term interest-bearing debt, and bank deposits. The fund takes a long-term view to help you preserve your capital. After experiencing historical low interest rate environment during 2020 and 2021, we have seen progressive increase in interest rates since late last year. The US Federal Reserve has begun to hike interest rates and may look to continue until next year. Similarly, the yield to maturity of United SGD Fund has increased to over 3%. So investing in the fund will help you to ride on this trend and may increase your return over time. The United SGD Fund has shown resilience to downside amidst market instabilities. There has not been any credit default in the fund, despite global economy having gone through turbulent periods. These challenging times include the global financial crisis in 2008, the European debt crisis in 2011, and more recently, during COVID. Interest rate fluctuates over time, making it difficult for traditional fixed income funds to deliver consistent returns. To overcome this challenge, and to smoothen out the impact of fluctuating interest rates, the United SGD Fund utilizes a laddered investment strategy. The fund invests in investment-grade bonds with different maturity dates across 3-year timeframe. This way, the investment maturities of the bond are spread across 1 year, 2-year, and 3-year timeframe to enhance the overall return. This strategy works in both rising and falling interest rate environments. In an environment of rising interest rates, the capital from matured bonds in the fund will be reinvested into higher-yielding, shorter-dated bonds. Bonds that mature in the current year will be reinvested at a higher interest rate. Through this, the fund aims to ride on the momentum of rising interest rate to enhance total return for investors. In an environment of lower interest rate, the capital stayed invested in longer maturity bonds to continue to earn higher yields. The fund has demonstrated resilience and consistent performance since its inception in June 1998, with an average return of 2.93 per annum. Additionally, the fund has provided enhanced returns over Singapore dollar deposits, as illustrated in the table. To further aid in delivering consistent returns, the fund invests in bonds covering a diverse geographical footprint and multiple sectors for great diversification. It also invests in bonds denominated in different currencies in search of the best value-adjusted returns for the portfolio. To minimize foreign currency risk, non-SGD exposures are hedged back to the Singapore dollar. The United SGD Fund has proven track record of investment excellence over 23 years and is one of the most popular fixed income funds in Singapore, with a low risk profile, offering stable returns to investors. The fund has clinched over 20 awards, and as a portfolio manager, I'm privileged to have received 15 individual awards, including the most recent Manager of the Year Asia Fixed Income at the 2021 Benchmark Fund of the Year Awards. As we notice, investors' increased interest in the sustainable investing, the fund is now ESG enhanced. It adopts UOB AM Sustainable Investment Framework. In our investment process, we monitor the ESG performance of the portfolio securities, and this is incorporated into our ESG evaluation process. The fund provides two attractive characteristics. Firstly, it aims to offer an attractive yield. With the recent rise in interest rates, the current yield of the fund is attractive and at a relative low duration. Yield to maturity of the fund is more than 3% and have good protection from rising interest rate with duration of just 1.5 years. Secondly, the fund is defensive in nature. Only a few asset classes and funds have been able to defend and protect clients' capital amidst market uncertainties. The United SGD Fund remains one of the best funds which aim to continue to protect your returns.